Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Poole in Dorset and I'm here for the Lush factory tour. It is now 6:22 and I have to get to the Lush Dolphin Quays for 6:50. So I'm gonna make my way there now, even though it's literally like a minute down the road. I'm gonna make my way down there, meet everybody, and then wait for the tour guide. So I'm gonna take you along with me. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm not gonna be speaking much because I really want to experience the tour, but I want to take you with me so that you can see it also and experience it with me too. So without further ado, let's head to the tour. Bye.
Allowance for those people who can't get out.
Yeah.
But we're all on time. Do you have your tickets ready?
Literally everything there. I was like, is there a ticket?
Passports.
Oh, can do that too.
Wow. Oh my god.
No one's listening to anyone else.
Liquid that comes over. So basically we use them for like big bins basically. So we get these sent over from massage. So basically what you see inside before they're shredded up, that's their height. When the sun comes out it starts bringing all the smells out. All the fragrances come over. So Matt basically delids them, chucks them through the machine, gets put into back into one of these, and then basically.
Ooh, it's not nice here.
So this is the dairy compounding room, and a lot of, should we say, new compounders will come in as well. The setup is very small, minute compared to what you'll see in a minute. This just helps them kind of like, should we say, master their skill set and actually understand their recipe that they kind of get. So they have all pitched around here about kind of what it brings to put into it, but we're not kind of like taking business from elsewhere, we're kind of keeping people in work rather than fresh and finishing early, there's some holiday. So we have kind of like started giving more things to other rooms as the business is growing. If we go into this next room here.
Oh my god.
What they will do is that they'll pulp it as much as they can. They'll even use the skin. But they've designed this machine here. So you know when you kind of pulp it, you have a kind of a sticky, kind of like gooey residue. They then put it back into this, should we say, extreme condenser. And what it will do, it will just condense even more. Trying to clean it afterwards, it would be a bit of a pain. So over here, you can see what they're doing. It's on the punch system for you. And you can set it so you can go as fast or as slow as you want. And what I'll do, I'll get their team leader to show you around properly in here. And we'll get you to go on the big bumpers and also these machines as well.
Pouring it there and get like a liquid.
Yeah.
Funny, yeah.
Thank you so much for the tour. I'm going home.
guys who backcode it. All the machines work in pretty much the same way. The only one that's a bit different is the 45-gram machine because it's got a base label as well, so they have an extra label to put on. Yeah, it's always the top. The top always goes on first, except for the 45, the top and base all together. And then it comes on the back. They have to put the country label on it, and it'll have its own barcode as well. All the different countries have got different barcodes. So we have to weigh it as well to make sure you get the right rate. So they'll weigh the pot, so then they know how much is filled. You would like to go?
I don't know.
Do them, otherwise they get stuck. So
Don't panic.
yeah, don't worry about getting everywhere. If you hold them with that hand, sort of, no, that hand, and then hold that one. No, that way. So then when you do it, you can just chuck it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Break down for you a bit, so you don't have to do it twice. Alright,
I didn't work out very well, did it?
Okay. Starters, Royce,
that's for the breaking.
Sorry.
Need it, and then it'll be distributed out. There is two people working it constantly, just needed. I've always got those. Yeah. I don't know what we've got here. We will.
Okay, when you're ready.
Intense. These are the hardest things.
Those are not getting dispatched, that's for sure. I feel like you need a lot of breaks.
Almost.
Oh my goodness. Okay, hi everyone. Okay, so we are now at this other section of this tour. We are at the ballistic area. So we're going to be heading down there real soon and getting hands on and making our own bath bombs. But at the minute, we're going to have a 5 to 10 minute break. So grab something to eat and drink and all that jazz. And then we'll be down there real soon.
One kilo. On a really good day, on our busy period, we're looking at about 12, 13 tonne out of one day, maybe a little bit more. On a normal day, average day like now, we're getting about 6, 7 tonne a day. Behind here is all our glitters, our fragrances, pretty much everything that goes in.
Of the color and the fragrance, it still don't have the color because it needs to mix it before it will be orange totally. So Right now it's fresh. Until you see the orange color, it's not ready.
Okay.
When it's all disappeared, it will be the color.
Keep blending and blending. How long does this normally take? About 25 minutes, 30 minutes? So you're looking about half an hour depending on the size of what's going in. But yeah, as you see, we've got to wait until all that disappears and it all goes one colour. So it won't be much longer. And then what happens is there's a hole in the bottom. They'll just put the funnel in there and then put the colour in.
I mean, different colors.
Yeah.
From morning like this, white, pink, yellow. So light color to dark color, we don't need to wash out with water every time. But if, for example, if you start with blue and you want to do white after that, you need to wash out with white.
Experimental.
So what you're seeing upstairs, this is the finished product. Kilos, and they take about 15-20 minutes to do the same thing. Instead of going that way, as you can see on the one furthest away, it goes the other way. So it's the same thing, just a smaller version. Doing it, you will see a massive cloud and it's just like, oh. But you get used to it, it's not dangerous or nothing, it's just something new to it, it really kicks back. But as you see, everyone's pressing here, and they're pressing into these crates. So they go 7 high, the majority, most of the time, 56 in the crate. And then from there, we've got 4 different drying rooms. We've got, depending on the products, we're pressing a cold room and a hot room. Okay, so if you come
Oh, this is nice.
So this is our hot room, and we're on 30 degrees today. Our cold room generally isn't that cold, to be honest. It's 23 degrees, 24 degrees. So give me the hand, buddy. For example, you need for this. Yeah. Did you go do this one? And not come into the hot room to the bubble, so it either expands or just goes a bit of a shape. So that goes into our cooler room or out of the room. Everything else tends to come in here. And as you can see, it just comes in. Sex bomb's probably our biggest one out of the lot. It can take up to 2 days to dry, so production wise it's not great. We recently had these installed, it changes the air, so it does dry a lot quicker, but that's one of our ones that takes a while. Same as foot soap, foot soap, yeah, that takes a fair few days to dry off. But yeah, that's everything on the hot room. We do have rejects will go underneath, but like I said, everything's amazing, it shouldn't really go there. And then it goes from there to the box, taped up. We're told to put the stickers on with what barcode, scan and wrap behind. And then they go into 139,000 thereabouts. And then last year we beat that and we done 249,000 in one day. But 249, that is packed and out the door every single day.
There we go, stop. Yeah, now pull it out. There you go.
Do you want? You're definitely better than me.
Yes, please.
Come on.
Yeah. I was literally just thinking, what happens if you drop one in? That happens. I might do another one. Oh, that's really good. Well done. Look at that. Yes. Yeah, beautiful. No.
Okay, now the expert.
Yeah. Watch you do it properly. There we go. It dries pretty quick.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah. Okay, so I will go. We need more powder now. We'll finish this. I need to go now. We don't have yeah. I like other products as Wonder Wonder. You know Wonder Wonder? It's gold. The gold it's nice. I like make, but here in normally we make this every day. This intergalactic.
Do you enjoy making bath bombs?
Yeah, it's okay. It's easy. The time passed very fast. It's okay. I like it. But we need make maybe 900 every day.
Wow,
Yeah,
that is a lot.
other product is butter ball. It's a small ball. Yeah. We make 3,000 per day.
Wow.
It's too much. But when I arrive here, I make only maybe 50. But when I work more time, I'm faster every day. You can put this. You can put like this. Put powder here.
And then
Close. But I think it's easier.
They make with the powder.
Like this. Put it here. And close.
okay. So on top, like this.
Okay.
Then this one, squeeze together.
Okay.
Okay. No. When
Need a little bit powder. You need a little bit powder here.
press only take this one and this one, and fix only for press. Only for press. And now it's only for click.
A little bit powder in the middle.
Oh, and then you just
My finger is put this for click. No, don't move.
got you. Okay, let's try that again.
Hurry up, Marianne, I want to go. Hurry up, I want to go.
Yeah, I will.
More powder.
More powder. Press.
For click, this only
And then-
when press.
Okay. Like this. Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Yeah! Can I take that one home?
You can.
This on the this one.
A little bit
And
more.
yeah, but it's alright. It's ready.
It's alright.
Try again.
Wonder.
Every other week. Items of one of these every other week. And we've got to trigger it, label it front, label it back, and put a and a batch code on it, put 6 in a box and another 3 labels on top of that because it's Korea, and then send it off. And it's done by 2 people by hand. One is Graham over there, he's just joined us for about a month ago. Other one's Yarak. So what happens then, we get the stuff here, and you see normally it's needed blue barrels here, but because they ran short of barrels and we're testing for something, we get these tubs here, 25 litres, and it comes through here, it's pumped through here by air, and we fill the bottle up. And what we do then is just turn the bottle the air on like this. We give it one to flush it through to make sure the weights are okay, and then we do that. Catch it, and in the here, dirty body spray, old stuff, is 164 grams in weight there. It's a bit underweight because you've got to run it 2 or 3 times through. And then you've got a trigger on it because the connection was that it's full of soothing and calming and summer-like products to make it that much better. To make you think that you're in the
really strong
summer. No, it's okay. Sun's not too bad. It smells okay. Yeah. So, because smugglers smoke what, 40 pounds a bottle for smugglers?
No, I don't think so. I don't think
that's one of the reasons they get rid of it, because it's oud that's in it. And oud's expensive, and the way they get oud is to infect the agar tree with something. Yeah, they infect it with something so that the sap, so it mixes with the tree's sap in the process of growing or whatever it is. It makes this so expensive. But strangely enough, it stinks on its own before you mix it. But in the Middle East, if you smell all this stuff, you consider it to be very wealthy. You've been away for a few months, you get a letter from your girlfriend, "Dear John, don't come back, I'm sleeping with your brother." What we used to, I'm ex-military, so what we used to do is we used to stick on the notice board, and everyone would laugh at it, and then take the lad to school and get drunk. It's a laugh, it really is. It's quite fun in the military, that's why I call it Dear John. Your love heart has ditched you. These days, it's texting it. "Dear so-and-so, you're dumped." Brutal, isn't it? Smell it now, smell each other and give it, 15 minutes to come back, it's completely different.
Yeah.
I love that about our is just how much it changes.
Yeah.
Like
but you must find that if you're in the shop, it's difficult with something to convince a person that this is going to happen, to try it on, especially when it might cost about 40 or 50 quid for a bottle. They're a bit reluctant to start with, but it's convincing them that once the body heat gets into it and you can smell it better, then it's worth the money. But a lot of the time it's difficult, isn't it? Especially you frontline people who are trying to separate people from the money.
that happened to me with Lord of Gorton. Like I was trying on a customer and she tried it on, and I lied. 20 minutes later she came back and bought it.
Yeah. See, this is what happens.
Yeah.
It's just getting that little 15 or 20 minute time frame to make it do its business. So there's probably squirt on at the front of if she comes in the door, and by the time she gets round to the back,
she'll love it.
She'll love it, yeah. Credit cards out. There's another 200.
Like you're going out, isn't it? Like go to the makeup, got your hair done, makeup on like half an hour before you go out, otherwise you come on before you go out. It smells like carrots.
Yeah.
And then giving for guys to start pressing tablets. Yeah, this one's not that strong. I use maybe 10 minutes ago mental crystals, and after those you can try.
Taste it. Can you sort of?
Could you imagine working in here without this like venting system?
Oh, it's so dusty.
That's this road, which then gets go upstairs. So everything has this flow. So you should kind of like figure out when every room has a flow to how it works and how it runs.
Oh my gosh, it looks like it's just appearing. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
What? It looks like it's just appearing like out of nowhere from the ground. It's amazing.
That's really cool.
They have this exact machine in Charlie in the top of the They do.
Nigel?
Yeah,
Lip blocks?
yeah. Okay. Bamboo. You seen the bamboo that make? Yeah. Yeah.
Eyebrow crayons.
Which we do, yeah. Which I do, yeah. And David. Debbie's lip balm. Where's Debbie? Deb, out. Lip balm. This is yours, isn't it?
Does have solid perfume.
We have little poppers, and then we just literally fill by hand like that, weighing as we go, otherwise to make sure they're reaching the weight. And then, sorry? Yeah, the solid perfume. I don't know what they're going with there. Yeah, they're solid, yeah, you sort of be in the same room, but I don't know what you're doing. And then they're literally just lidded, and then we take them over here, and everything is labelled by hand. Yeah, all the countries, everything is by hand. Now for the lip balm, to make bigger quantities, we will put it in the machine. I'll show you the machine on the side. So if it's over 10 kilos, if it's under 10 kilos, we will hand pour everything. If it's over 10 kilos, you put it in the machine, it goes in here, comes down, comes out the little spout there. This machine moves round, and as it goes through there, it cools, and it measures out exactly what we will do. We will load these. So as it's going round, and then it will pour out, and it will pour out exactly 12 grams. And so it goes through the cooler, comes out the other end. We have two people sat there and they're literally just slidding as we go. So majority of the lip balms are done like this, only if we need a small quantity of handful. Okay, like I say, they go out there, then everything's laid top and bottom with all the countries, UK, okay? Like that. Then we'll make it in a saucepan, literally get a ladle it all like that. Literally takes a couple of minutes until they're set. Then we get a scraper, and we will just literally then scrape all the top off, like that. Put it back in to remelt the excess. Then we just get a blow torch, literally just blow torch the top, just get the imperfections off. Doesn't take very long, 5 minutes. Then we just take them out, and then they're ready to go, and that's how we do them. It's a lot easier than how we used to do them. Before we used to have to literally pour them with the poppers, which these.
I think last time I was here, they were doing that.
And then we do have to clean them by hand. We'd have wipe them off. I mean, at Christmas time, when we were doing Saturday, we would literally.
Obviously, and that's the moulds we use for the crayons. They're like that, which we pour, scrape them off, and then the hard job is to open them out. Yeah, the pencils, the crayons. Yeah. The hard part is get them out afterwards. But I'll show them the moulds now. Okay.
Amazing. I have a question about the mould.
Yeah.
This, yeah. We use this tag. And it's the same like the shampoos. The guys, the first they got the mix in a bucket. They try to make something similar like that. Put the spanner or put the inners and we receive salt.
The ingredients for this are never hot actually.
It's all pressed cold.
But with potential we will get the product to the center.
Happy soap, right?
Mari is very happy, he's our star. He pretends he's a master companion.
For me?
He's our video stars, all these movies, all this. It's always Mari and fun. And like, we try to always keep the same quality, but sometimes it depends on the compounders. It depends on the weather. Because all this stuff is a compound. It's not like all the stuff will be always the same.
Yeah. I think that's what's nice about it.
They always get this to different colors and stuff. This is something like
I love serendipity. Always
People love it actually.
they are this ingredients need to pass the quality control. And the guys actually, we always compass. We always check the weight.
Can I turn it on?
Right.
You will turn it on.
Yeah. Ready?
Whoa, okay. It's a bit too much.
You got one and you got another one.
You're affecting their bonus. No pressure.
You know we feel with the back parts earlier. And always need to be right way. So we can use this mix again. It's not a problem.
So all of the, is this all filling then here?
Yeah, so once it's come here, the girls start to fill it and they label it from the top and the bottom which commander is done it with the batch code. And after that, they're taking a pallet and it's go to the 800 kilo every day.
Wonder.